best food processors to cook, but you would definitely want one. We have therefore analyzed many customer reviews, and this model is one of the best rated food processor. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
Processor. Slice, chop, shred, and grate all your favorites. A stainless steel slicing and shredding disc, as well as a stainless steel chopping blade, create powerful performance. 450 watts of power help handle the tough tasks. An electronic touchpad is easy to use and easy to clean. With stainless steel blades and a 450 watt motor, you won't need more than a gentle touch to process even the toughest ingredients. Removable parts are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. The BLACK+DECKER 8-cup food processor helps you create your kitchen concoctions skillfully.
And these are editor rating for this product.